Okay, we are going to look at how to install a plugin in WordPress. I've got a website where I want to have some customer testimonials rotating on the homepage. So I've created a widget area on the homepage, and I want a plugin that will allow me to have rotating testimonials. So I'm just going to search the plugin repository for rotating testimonials, and I'm looking at these ones that are rated pretty highly here. 59 ratings at 4.0 for Flexi Quote Rotator, and I have already installed that one. So I'm going to go to my installed plugins, and I'm going to make sure it's activated just by clicking on activate there. When you install a plugin, it gives you the option to activate it right away, but it does need to be activated in order for it to work. So we've got the Flexi Quote Rotator. So now is where we need to look and try and find out where is the function, where do we access the functionality of this plugin. Sometimes it'll appear right on the left side menu, as with my buttons plugin, for example. You can see it's got a menu item there on the left-hand navigation. But most often you'll find something under settings. So if we go under settings, we see it as added quote rotator. So I'll click on that, and that will help me to understand the different settings I need to have there. So I'm going to call this one testimonials, and I'm going to have them delay for, let's say, 6 seconds each, with a 2-second fade in and a 2-second fade out, and an open quote symbol. And it's got some CSS options. I'm not going to put anything in there for now, and I'm not going to attach a style sheet for now. And so on the right hand side, you can see it's got some nice instructions. And it tells us when we want to enter quotations, we need to go to Tools, Quotes. But that's our settings for the plugin. So there's a couple different places that we need to go to make this one work. So let's now, and it tells us as well, gives us some instructions that we're going to need to put in a short code. And it shows my short code there. It's funny, they chose the same name, testimonials, that I put for mine. So there's some different variations that we can put in there. I'm just going to use the simple one, quote rotator. So let's go to Tools, Quotes, and we'll add a quote. Customer testimonial 1. And we'll just call it first customer. And then we'll do add another quote. Two. Add quotes. So you can see up at the top here, the quotes have been added. And now I need to go to my widget and add the short code. Okay, so I've got a bunch of different widget areas to find here, and I'm looking for the front page. Okay, so the area is widget area 18. And we'll put the quote rotator there. We'll click Save. Then I'll go to the home page of the site and see if the plugin is doing what we want it to. So there you can see in this area we've got customer testimonials. Okay, so it's got that name there twice. So what I'm going to do is change in my widget area, just take the title out there because we don't want the word testimonials there twice, because it's already once in the quote rotator functionality. I'll just refresh that page. And there's how you can install a plugin, and also how we can update our customer testimonials on the site. We may want to add some CSS and style that a little bit, but that's how it's done.